Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Chow House. Today we'll be making some stadium-style garlic fries in the air fryer. They taste just like they're from the ballpark. These can be out and on the table in 25 minutes flat, guaranteed. And most of that time is just inactive cooking time anyway, so let's get started. Russet potatoes, skin on or off, it's all up to you. Then you're gonna whip out your French fry cutter. Heh, just kidding. But if you got one, I mean, obviously use it. But I'll show you a simple method to cut your potatoes into French fry shapes. Just slice one end of your potato off so you have a flat surface to work with, then cut your potato into 3/8 of an inch thick planks, and then cut those into 3/8 of an inch thick fry shapes. 3/8 of an inch is just the standard for like a thicker cut French fry, and McDonald's French fries are 1/4 inch, just for reference. Once you're done slicing up your potatoes, put them in a container filled with water and you rinse them a couple times. This will get rid of some of the excess starches and sugar on the surface of your fries, and it'll help prevent them from browning too fast when cooking. After you're done rinsing, just put them on a towel and dry them off a bit before tossing them in a bowl with some salt and oil. Throw them in your air fryer in a single layer if possible. I set mine to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes, but you can use whatever temp your air fryer recommends, but the cooking duration is usually in the ballpark of about 20 minutes or so. See what I did there? Ballpark of about 20 minutes or so? Ballpark fries, am I right? Anyways, just toss your fries at the halfway mark to promote even browning. And while the fries are cooking, we're gonna get a shitload of fresh, raw minced garlic in a bowl and top it off with some olive oil and zap it in the microwave for about 15 seconds to infuse some of that garlic flavor into the oil. Also, the classic garlic and parsley combo, mince a handful of fresh Italian flat leaf parsley and set it aside. And after about the 20-minute mark, check on your fries once they're nice, golden, and crisp, and passing the wiggle test. They're ready to be tossed with the garlic, parsley, and salt to taste. Thank you guys for watching. Just thought it'd be nice to share the recipe because we can't really go out to big sporting events during this time to get these. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more recipes like these. And probably gonna do some fried chicken next video. Back to the good old roots. So stay tuned. We'll see you guys next time.